Hi guys, Matt here, hope you're well. Just got a quick tip on how to retain, or actually reset your data, should I say, data numbers. So the number of people coming through your flow in Encharge. So if you look here in this example here, these don't quite match up. So we've got the people who are here, were here, but down here it says there's 3, so it doesn't make sense. So if you're like me and a stickler for correct data and analytics and things like that, this is what you can do. So what we're going to do, quick tip is, we're just going to duplicate, pause it just in case for whatever reason you're unlucky and someone's using that trigger, sending data at that very second. So here we go, we duplicated it. So we're going to delete the old one. So you notice that there's a statistic here, delete statistic, reconnect it. Okay, so the stats here are no longer there, which makes sense, which is great. There's still one here. So we're actually going to duplicate, follow the same process. So you click on it, wait a few seconds, and the module will appear at the front. Just drag it over. I'm going to delete this. So what would have happened here? So your existing webhook would have changed. So it's no longer, the old one would need to be updated in the other software that's sending it from. So if you click on the actual module, the webhook module, what we need to do, we need to make sure we copy this and update the endpoint from the other software. So simply copy it and paste it into the other software sending data from. So the only thing we need to do now, so if it's not mapped correctly, you need to do that, and you need to have some data in there as well. But if you've simply copied it, the existing, I believe, should be retained, so it saves you some time there. So the only thing we need to do now, by looking at these exclamation marks, is just simply connect it. Obviously update that endpoint into the other software and make sure it is turned on. So it's actually down here, it's obscured, but there you have it. So what we achieved there is a simple way to reset the statistics in Encharge, and you might want to use this if you really love your flow, workflow, drip, whatever you want to call it. In Encharge they call them flows, but you want to have a fresh set of scenario with no statistics, to make sure when it is working all statistics match up, so there's no discrepancy like we saw at the start of the video where it said 1 was here and another module has a discrepancy with, say, 3 were there. Anyway, hopefully that helps. Let me know in comments and feedback below. We'll go from there. Good on you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Cheers. Matthew K, Bill with K.